Gotta get the rose wet. She's new. Yes. I got you, girl. I got you, Sonia, girl. And a lasty. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Oh, it smells so good too. I have the Foca liquids too. The big Foca liquids. I have some of those too. Let me squeeze, and then we'll open the Roma bags and put some Roma. And we'll see if you guys want to add any liquids to this. Today might be a nap day for me too. It smells so good, Meg. My gosh, it smells so good. Hi, May. Oop. Stay on there. Push those ones under so we know. So I know I squeezed them already. Hi, Yella. Hello, hello. Happy Saturday. Push it under. Push it under. Hi, Blossom. Okay, guys, at the consistency that it is now, what do you think we need in here? What are you guys feeling like this needs? These are, the brand is Halyard. I'll show you the box for my gloves. I'll show you the box. I get them on Amazon, but you have to get the long cuff. Oh, I love that, Professor. Did you guys play sports? Did anybody play sports? Like tall or petite? I like to say petite instead of short. Who said that? Who said that? Let me see who said that. That was so funny. Oh my gosh. 2 inches taller? Kanisha. Kanisha, I saw your comment at the very, like it, I almost missed it. I love volleyball. Volleyball is so fun. We play sand volleyball sometimes here when the weather's nice. I love volleyball. Shit. Yeah, Lucy, how tall are you? 5'11" and a half. You want to be tall? Oh. So I was like, oh, the guys are not going to like me because I'm tall. I'm too tall. 5'8". Okay, Lucy. Lucy, have you ever done a face reveal on TikTok, Clean Talk? I wonder what you look like more than, I don't know what it is about you. I've seen Ari. It used to be you and Ari that I wondered what you guys looked like, but I saw Ari. Wow, Chrissy, you have a tall family. What? I'm about to go off of my live right now to see Lucy. I'm about to go off of my live just to see. Oh, okay. Yeah, send me a selfie, I wanna see. Isn't it crazy, like, watching Clean Talk and everything, and you're just watching people's hands all this time? Somebody should do like a live where everybody has their cameras on, and it's just like chatting. Oh, stop it, Ari. Yes, princess. I usually, if I squeeze during the week, it's like in my saved stuff. Like, I'm so addicted to pine jelly, it's crazy. I agree. Clean talkers are so cute. I love these sponges. I love the sound. It should be in stores. Let's add some right now. We're gonna add some pine jelly for Miss Amber. Miss Amber. And not the blue kind. Oh, the pine sweet. Good old pine sweep. Okay, here. Let's add some pine jelly in for Miss Amber. My girl. Anxiety. Thank you for the heart, me pretty girl. Thank you, thank you. Hey, Chloe. Hi, sweetheart. Okay, this is a big bottle, so hopefully I don't drop it, you guys. Let me see if this little bottle has green. Please be green and not pink. Okay, good. It's kind of runny. I have 5 cans left. 5 cans left. Jelly. Mr. Lynn Pine and Lemon Banana go good. Oh, I can't find see. I can't find Miss Lynn where I live. Oh, 5 left to purchase. I'm sorry. Going in, we have some baking soda, some Roma, and some Blanca going in. Penny Wars. The pine mistolin. I had it like years ago. I had 2 or 3 bottles of it. I had to order online, and it didn't smell very strong to me. I was hoping it would smell stronger. Hi, Sunny. Thank you for the heart, me. Yeah, I was hoping it would smell stronger, but it smelled very soft, very subtle. Very subtle. Thank you for the heart, me, Sunny. Thank you for the heart, me, Renee. Lucy, I'm too shy to buy a lot in the store, so I have them delivered to home. I'm like, I don't care if I have to pay for delivery. I'm not going to the store. I'm too shy, because people already are like, what are you doing with this? What are you gonna clean? A whole neighborhood? Is this? That's the piece. Oh, it's a piece of the sponge. I thought it was a piece of Oh yeah, we're going back and forth. We have a pink combo and we have the green one. That's true, Lucy. The location of my last, when I lived in an apartment, it, like, the door was hidden from the parking lot, so it was hard. Yeah, I've done that before, Sunny. I used to have to be like, okay, it's building, blah, 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 and you have to come in, come up the stairs. The door is not facing the street. It was a lot. I've told them before that I had a cleaning company. I have done that before. Ooh. So, let's see. Should we do a flash sale, you guys? I'm gonna have to restart my live because I got a notification. But should we do a flash sale when we get back? For the focus down there? Don't be embarrassed, Ari. Okay guys, can you guys please come right back? I have to restart because I gotta, you know what. Sucker-free, can you come right back? I have to restart my live. Guys, please, 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 everybody come back. We just have to restart really quick. With shades in it. Oh man. I have 5 cans, Sonia. I have 5 cans. And I have some, let me show you guys what this is that I have. I don't really know. I've never used it before. I have 5 linen cans and I have 4 of these. You need more? We need more? How many cans do you think we need? How many? I have just 5 right now, but I do still have baking soda and a Blanca and a couple bags of Aroma. $50? Wow. I feel like if I got, it seems like when I order too many cans, then cans are not popular at all, and then I'm like, oh my gosh, I should have gotten baking soda, or oh my gosh, I should have gotten laundry. I have that.